This video is just for the eye makeup. Let's do this mild smoky eye look. Take a light brown neutral eyeshadow and apply it on your upper eyelid. Put it up till your crease line with a soft brush. If you have hooded eyes, go further up. Without taking any extra product, whatever is left on your brush, bring it down to your outer lower lash line. Repeat the same on the other eye. This is a mild smoky eye look with which you can either wear a nude lipstick or a dark lipstick because it's not too dark or heavy. Now take a dark brown eyeshadow with a thick smudge brush or a smoky eye brush or even a pencil brush and try to apply this only on the outer corner of your eyes. Don't bring it all the way in and keep the strokes from outside to inside. Whatever's left on your brush, bring it again down to your lower outer lash line. Repeat the same on the other eye. This will give you a mild smoky effect while giving some dimension and definition to the whole eye and eyelid. Please use eyeshadows of your own choice and brand. I'm sharing the brushes. Now take a kajal or a kohl and line your upper eyelid. How thick you want it is up to you. It does not need to be neat because now we're going to just smudge it out. Doing this will give it a smoky effect. If you want the look to be more intense, take the smudging higher up. Now take a neutral transition shade and a soft brush and blend out the crease line. We don't want any harsh lines. Set your eyebrows with a gel so that they stay in place. Now take your black kajal or kohl again and thinly line the outer lower lash line. This also we will smudge out. Now with your smudge brush, just smudge it out. Smudging makes life easy and gives you these smoky looks very easily. Just follow it up with a brown at times. Curl your lashes if you want to, but definitely use a good mascara. Hope you found this eye makeup look easy. It's a very mild, everyday kind of smoky eye. It's not that loud, it is subtle. If you want the makeup to be more glam, you can very well add a highlighter on your brow bone. This video is just about the eye makeup. I hope you try it, I hope you find it easy, and I'm going to share such easy eye makeup looks from now at a regular basis. See you soon, take care and stay glam.